Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious strawberries and chocolate cream cake. It's going to be a moist, fluffy, deep rich chocolate flavored cake with light fluffy homemade whipped cream and of course lots of fresh and delicious strawberries. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description. And stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get started on this delicious, I bet you're gonna love it, strawberries and chocolate whipped cream cake. Now to get started on this delicious cake, we need to grab a bowl, and to that we wanna go ahead and add in our butter and our sugar. And then we're gonna go in with our hand mixer and beat both of these together until they are light and fluffy on a nice medium speed for about a good 2.5 minutes. Then we'll add in our eggs. And our vanilla. And continue to blend our mixture at that same medium speed with our hand mixer for another minute or two. Once you have your wet ingredients all mixed up together, go ahead, scoot those to the side, grab yourself another mixing bowl for your dry ingredients, and begin adding in your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking soda, and your salt. And then we'll give those a quick little whisk. So once your dry ingredients are nice and whisked together and you have your wet ingredients all combined, let's go ahead and put them all together. We're going to start by adding in a tiny little bit of our flour. Follow that with some fresh brewed hot coffee and begin to mix these ingredients together on a nice low speed with your hand mixer while alternating with your flour and your hot fresh brewed coffee. And then just continue on that low speed with your hand mixer and mix your chocolate cake batter until it's nice and smooth and creamy. And after a couple of quick easy steps, you have delicious, perfect chocolate cake batter. All that's left to do is pour this into our prepared pans and pop in the oven and let bake for a good 40 to 45 minutes. Once your cakes have baked and they've cooled and you've leveled in half them, it is time to load up with some delicious, homemade, fluffy chocolate whipped cream and of course some fresh strawberries. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe for the chocolate whipped cream down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. It is delicious, it goes with everything, it's just, it's so good. But anyway, let's start on this cake. So we're gonna take our first layer of cake and we're gonna load it up with some homemade, delicious, oh so good, fluffy chocolate whipped cream. And then we're gonna give a generous handful of fresh chopped strawberries. And top with our second layer cake. Now if you're gonna add more layers to your chocolate cake, you just follow the steps. You do chocolate cake, fresh chocolate whipped cream, strawberries, cake, whipped cream, strawberries, until you have all the layers that you want. You know, the more layers the better, but I think we're gonna make this cake nice and personal. Just 2 layers, lots of strawberries, lots of chocolate whipped cream. It's gonna be delicious. But anyway, let's go ahead and we're gonna cover our cake with even more chocolate whipped cream. And with any frosting that's gonna be covered on a cake, I find the best way to do this is to begin at the bottom of your cake and pipe in an upward motion as you turn your cake turntable. Now once you cover your cake with chocolate whipped cream, we just want to go ahead and we want to give this a quick smooth over. So we're going to either use an offset spatula, a straight spatula, or a cake cone. And we're going to gently press our smoothing tool up against the whipped cream, and while rotating our cake turntable, we're going to smooth out our whipped cream. So we're left with a nice smooth finish. And after you have that nice smooth finish with your whipped cream, we're gonna go ahead, take a piping bag, fit it with a 1M tip, and we're gonna begin to pipe on chocolate rosettes. And to finish off our decorating, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the best strawberries out of the bunch, and we're gonna top each rosette on top of our cake with the biggest strawberries we can find. And after you top with your last strawberry, you are left with a perfectly delicious, oh so good to die for, strawberries and chocolate cream cake. I mean, this is layers of moist, rich chocolate flavored cake, homemade, fresh, fluffy chocolate with cream, and of course, packed with so much of fresh strawberries. It's just, it's so good. I'm gonna have a slice right now. I can't wait. Maybe I might eat the whole cake. It is that good. Trust me, you are gonna love it. I promise. This is the cake for you. If you love chocolate, if you love whipped cream, if you love strawberries, you need to try this cake. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun sharing my strawberries and chocolate cream cake recipe with everybody. If you're a fan of chocolate and strawberries, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know what baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more weekly, delicious, oh so good recipes, definitely be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to turn notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any more tasty, yummy, oh so good, gotta have, delicious dessert recipes. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid sandwiches to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to click the link down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you have 20 chances to win, and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, if you make your own strawberries and chocolate cream cake, or your own strawberry and chocolate inspired dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well I'm gonna go. I'm gonna grab a big slice of this cake, a big cup of coffee, maybe iced coffee because it is super hot outside today. But I hope you all are enjoying the week. I hope you're all having a great day. And as always, I will see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.